I'll show you how this works right here. Hit-and-miss engine, modified from an international igniter engine, about 1920, I would say. But if you put a shop cloth under that choke plate and you crank and you turn your flywheel 3 times, like I'll show you how to do it, like this right here. Okay, see, I turned that flywheel 1 time while I was just showing you how to do it, and with the choke closed. So you would do that again to prime the carburetor. Let's say get the gas up past the check valve. So okay, see, I didn't get nothing, and that needle valve is open about 2/3 of a turn. Okay, I'll show you what to do. It's a piece of Ritz cracker box, cornflake box material, and I'm gonna slip it between that choke plate and the mixer. To work as a gasket on the suction side. Oh yeah, see, we got fuel up there now. So, with all expectations, this engine should start the next time that you turn the flywheel. Oh yeah, see, we got some overage on that. And well, we'll start it up now. I have a battery and a buzz coil inside that battery box right there, and I have an on and off switch on the side over here. So, see, it ain't had no fire put to it yet, so it couldn't have started up to now. So I'm gonna switch it on, and that mechanism down there to fire this engine, the contact is a 8/1000 feeler gauge leaf fixed in an insulated bracket. I'll get a close up on that if I can while the engine's running. It's got a screw in the back side of the cam that comes around and makes contact with it. But let's start this engine up now. Okay. I'll show you something. from here, Middle Tennessee, the geographical center of something. Chop Dog Sam. Now y'all leave a comment down there. True hit-and-miss engine, modified from a throttle governor international type deal. Just a little whimsical thing to do. And then to install it on a circus cart in commemoration of the circuses gone by, thinking that if circuses of old had power units, I think it would have been on a cart like this. Imaginary reference to, they did use these in the circus days as attached to a circus magazine article as to one in use on the front of the rail car to roll up the tent. Just saying. Here in Middle Tennessee. Hey, y'all, come on back in a couple of days and we'll start something else up. Leave a comment down there now. Thumbs up or something.